Hi guys, this is Mrs. Blaisdell. Today we are doing Activity 16 in Access, Video Games. The name of the table is Top Console Games. In the design view, we need to put in name, short text, system short text. Sales in millions needs to be a number. And so when we look at that, there's some differences here that we haven't done before. Field size, they would like that to be single. So you can choose long integer often comes up as a default. We want to choose single, and we want to look at fixed format instead of the standard. We're going to do fixed. Okay, and excuse me, let me make sure that works. And then decimal places, they would like you to have 2 with that. And so we want to make sure you have all of that stuff in there before you enter your text. Once you do that, you want to go to the data sheet and you want to type in the information. It should look something like that. Okay. So once we do all of that, then what we're going to do is we are going to delete. I know, you just typed. So we're going to delete rows 18 and 19. And so 18 and 19, we have 20 rows, so we need to delete these 2. Okay? So what we would do is select those 2 rows, usually using these little blocks right here so it selects everything. Oops, that did not work. Let's try that again. And well, we can do one of 2 things here. We can press delete on our keyboard. Didn't work. Delete. And then go down here and delete this as well. Okay, so again, we just, selected it and then right click delete record. And that will take it right out, and that's all you really need to do with deleting it. Sorry about my thinking that the key would work. It does not. All right, so once we get that done, then it would like us to, we don't ever print, so we skip that step. Select the Compact on Close option to automatically compact and repair the database. Now, Compact on Close is actually very important for databases we use often. You guys are usually one and done. You make the database and you're done with it. You're not looking back at it at all. If you were working with, for example, I have done this with databases that are connected to websites, and you're changing the inventory a couple times a week. If that happens, then like that database can, and then also you're sending a database up and down through to the website and back to your desk kind of thing, instead of changing. With the database, you're never changing it online generally. So whenever you do that, it has the chance to be corrupted. So if you do the Compact on Close, that helps that to not happen. To do that, we're going to go to File, we're going to go to Info, and we'll see Compact and Repair Database. And we can click on that, and it will do that job for us. So when we open up our table, it should look the same, but it has sort of just made sure everything is in the right places. And again, it looks fine to you, but there's a lot more going on there than we can see when we're looking at an interface. And this is an interface. Okay, so once you do that, you can save it and you can close it and send it to Canvas.